So for this build, you're going to need a Sharpie, a step bit, a 9/64 drill bit, a 7/16 and a 3/8 socket, a T45 torque bit, a 7/32 hex bit. You're going to want at least a 10-inch extension and a short extension with a socket, a Phillips screwdriver, tape measure, drill, and a set of pliers. This is Gendel Overland, brought to you by London, Ontario Jeeps, in part by Forest City Dodge and 67 Designs. Hey guys, welcome to the decked install video. First thing we got to do is get a Torx T45 bit to remove the cab side tie downs. We're going to do that on both sides of the Jeep. Next, to prevent scratches on the floor bed, we're going to install this plastic tape to both sides. Using a tape measure, we're going to find the center of the floorboard and the backboard and mark it with a Sharpie. Now we're going to install the 12 shims that are provided with the kit. Now we got to reinstall the cab side tie downs. Using a T45 Torx bit, let's put in these screws. Now let's assemble the center vert to the cab side vert. We're going to loosely attach the studs for now, just hand tightening the screws. Let's grab the ammo cans and set them down to give us support for the deck panels. After lining everything up, we're going to tighten 4 bolts into the top of the panels. Now we can tighten the stud bolts and remove the panel bolts. Now let's remove the panels. Before we install this onto the truck, we need to install the stud brackets. It only goes on one direction, facing the front of the truck. Now let's mount the assembly. You will see a center line mark on the mount assembly. Just line it up with those Sharpie marks that you made earlier. Let's put the ammo cans in and then install the C-channels. Now let's lay down the deck halves. We're going to install it using these nylon washers and rubber washers. This is how you install it. You put the nylon washer on first, and then the rubber washer, and this will keep the moisture and rain from leaking into your deck system. repeat the same process to the ammo bins. Now let's build these drawers. First we're going to put the corner brackets in using the 2-inch bolt on the top. This is how I installed the brace. I put the one screw in and then turn the brace onto the screw. Pushing it down onto the other side of the corner bracket and tightening the bolt in. Now let's add the wheels. Adding the weather strip is easy. Just make sure the blade side faces the back of the drawer. Insert the drawers into its slot. And now we can put in the inner wheels. Final steps is screwing in the ruler. Now we can tighten the J hooks, and I added an extension cord to the power. Thank you for joining me on the decked install system. Next week, join me for the RSI Smart Cap install. Looking forward to seeing you then. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you next week.